Hello and welcome. My name is Gerd and this session is about how to prepare your documents for printing with the CI Hub connector. Now, most of the companies produce their print products via InDesign and pull their digital assets via DAM, PIM or cloud storage systems. They do it manually, and if I may say so, that's a waste of time. And this is where the CI Hub connector comes into the game. I would like to demonstrate how to be more efficient, how to save a lot of time, and how to simplify your tasks with the CI Hub connector. So I want to produce a high-res PDF for a brochure with 32 pages and about 32 images. Everything is stored in a DAM, a PIM, or a cloud storage system. I will do this step by step, showing the outdated way and the CI Hub way. After each step, I will note the time saved. Let's see how many hours it will be in the end. First, I search for the document and I have to check the content of these documents. But I don't want to open each document. So the outdated way would be go to my browser, search for docs, download each file, open them in InDesign, walk through, and at the end delete the files. Now the CI Hub way is browse through several documents without opening them. Now that saves me round about half an hour. Next would be check the linked images which are stored in the cloud or in the DAM system. So having access to the asset means the outdated way, leave InDesign, open your browser, log into your DAM system and browse your assets. Now with the CI Hub connector, you just select your source system and browse the assets without leaving my application. And in addition, I have multiple views and I have access to the metadata. Now I have to check the links to the images. So the outdated way would be leave InDesign, open my browser, log into my DAM system, search for each asset, put it in a basket, download the package, go back to InDesign and start the reeling process. Now the CI Hub way would be click check status and click relink all. That's it. Now that saves me another 3 hours. Now I have to check the versions of each image because I want to have the latest version. So the outdated way would be switch to my browser, log into my DAM, search for each linked image, check the version, and if there's a new one, download the new version, replace, relink, and so on. The CI Hub way is click check status and relink all. That's it. So up to here we have saved a total of 6 hours. Next step would be check the rights of each image. So the outdated way would be switch to my browser, log into my DAM, search for each linked image and check the rights regarding campaign duration, countries, usage. But how do I find images that don't have rights? So with the CI Hub connector, it's just one click, it's check rights. And in addition, I have a visual control for each asset, and if I want to register an asset, I just click on register file and that's it. So checking the rights with the CI Hub panel saves me, I would say, another 4.5 hours. So I need a full control over my assets when it comes to resolution, availability, file names, etc. Sometimes you have to deal with identical file names like logo.ai or pool.jpg. Well, that works in a DAM, but it doesn't work in a download folder. So references will get lost. And the search in the DAM for all linked assets can take hours. With the CI Hub, it's just one click. So I've saved another 5 hours. Now I have to make the assets available for print, but temporarily. And I want to do it with one click. Now that's the old-fashioned way. Leave InDesign, open browser, search for each asset, put it in a basket, download the package, and go back to InDesign and start the relink process, and so on and so on. With the CI Hub panel, it's just the relink all button, and that's it. And I'm sure to use the high-res files only, so that saves me another 4 hours. And in addition, I need access to all the other elements like fonts, icc-profiles, and job options. So these are all relevant elements, and the outdated way would be phone your colleague, searching, hunting, gathering elements. With the CI Hub panel, you have access to everything. You can search for all relevant information, and you have access even to fonts, to job options, or to ICC profiles. So having direct access to all these elements saves me, I would say, another hour. And finally, I would like to create a PDF and upload it to a shared system. And I don't care about the color space of my images in the DAM. That's where the ICC profiles and the job options come into the game. I want to convert my images from RGB to CMYK, and it should fit to the print service provider's requirements. All this is accessible within the CI Hub connector. To create and to upload the PDF, it's a matter of seconds, and it's done in one step. So in this case, the CI Hub connector saves you up to 21 hours. And everything is done in one interface, so there's no need to jump between applications. And in addition to that, I've reduced the error rate to 0. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email or visit our website cihub.com. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.